Yeah. So, I mean, obviously, Tata Steel was the original Make in India story. It was set up in 1907, right? And that was when nobody in India knew how to make steel. So it was, in some sense, India's first multinational also. I think we've come a long way. Steel was seen as something fundamental to the development of any economy. So I think we've been through a lot. But the reason why we are still around is we keep transforming ourselves. We keep looking at the context and our relevance and reinventing ourselves. But I think for companies like us, industries like us, it's more about how do you not waste a crisis? How do you use a crisis to make yourself stronger? Because it's a cyclical business, it's a capital intensive business. So I think in some sense our digital journey actually started in the late 90s. We were one of the first large manufacturing companies in India to implement SAP at that time, 97, 98. In fact, SAP holdings used to talk about Tata Steel. But I think a lot has happened in the last 8-9 years because we had to change faster because the world was changing fast around us. So I think we see it end-to-end huge opportunities, right? Like we have a long value chain. We are one of the biggest mining companies in the country. We are one of the biggest steel companies in the country. And we have a very strong downstream presence in services, solutions, downstream value addition. So we have a very long value chain. So there's a huge opportunity from a cost point of view to optimize across the value chain. So we have a lot of AI models running on that, on the cost optimization side. The second part is a customer experience part of it, where again we have what we call the traditional B2B business, where we sell to auto companies and oil and gas companies, etc. Or we sell to the SMEs, or we sell to what we call the retail markets. So having a lot of cameras, doing video analytics, getting the insights from that, being able to red flag potential risk areas, all are hugely beneficial. And internally, for internal services like HR, etc., also you can use AI to again deliver a better experience for employees. And even from an L&D point of view, there's a lot that we can do. And today we have, I think, about 550 AI models running in Tata Steel. I think 70% of it is in the operations and manufacturing side, and the others are in the customer facing side or in specific functional areas. In the Tata Steel context, because we are a large company, we know that a typical change management program will take 3 to 5 years for it to become a habit, right? Then it's no longer a change management program, it's the way you work, right? So we went with that mindset. We said that, okay, within 3 to 5 years, we need to make it the way we work, right?